Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable battery saving mode on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on battery. From here, just tap on battery mode, and from here you can set a battery saving mode. Now it is currently on balanced mode, and in this mode your smartphone will balance performance with power consumption, and also you have the option of power saving mode. Now in this mode, your smartphone will reduce the system performance and it will turn off some features to extend the battery life on your Oppo phone. And lastly, you have the option of super power saving mode. Now in this mode, it will restrict system performance and it will only allow you to use up to 6 apps at one time. Now just select super power saving mode and tap on turn on. Now as you can see, it will only allow you to use up to 6 apps. Just like that. Now if you want to use the normal power saving mode, just tap on battery, then tap on battery mode. Now from here, just tap on power saving mode. And this is how you can enable battery saving mode on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.